Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another day. Just a couple of things. First of all, your paragraph about social media. You hopefully have gone into your peer grade and looked at your editor's notes, gone back and make changes and have made changes to that. I am going to have that due this coming Thursday. I said Wednesday, but I'll push it to Thursday. When I put it into the grade book, you'll see some directions there as far as creating a new document. We'll do the same thing, just so that new document can have a header and a heading. And then you simply copy and paste that draft that you are working on and paste it to the new one. Please, please, please make sure you add the works cited. You have to have that page on there. So you should have 2 full pages, okay? So look for that in your assignment tab. Then for today, in order to be marked present, you're going to do another discussion board. And what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to ask you a couple questions regarding my class. It's not a time for you to vent about other teachers. If you want to do that, you can vent to me in another email, but you should really go to that teacher. I mean, don't vent to me and give their name or whatnot. Really, we should be going to the teacher. So in this discussion board, it's simply all about composition class. You can totally vent about me as the teacher. I don't have a problem with that. So in the discussion board, basically, I'd like to know a couple things. What are some things that you need me to know that I'm not doing that maybe another teacher is doing that would be helpful? Are you understanding every day what you're supposed to do? Is there like mass confusion? Things like that. I need to know that because I want you all to be successful in this class. And I know with everything happening, I'm not doing as much as I normally would. I'm trying to cut back on things because I'm trying to put myself in your shoes, and I can't imagine having the 7 classes. So I really think as teachers to be mindful of that, and things are going to be okay. You're going to be okay. And really the goal is for you to write. So I know that you're writing when we have this communication back and forth. So that will be the discussion today. And please respond to one other person at least. You can respond to multiple people, but let's have a little bit of discussion. Going forward, I am now, have just been trained on the Google Meets. So Google Meets is kind of similar to Zoom. I just did a family Zoom last night with all my siblings. So it kind of shows up where everyone's in the square on the screen. I'm thinking of doing something like that maybe next week after we watch our movie, which you're going to get today, and maybe just having a discussion live and in person. I think it'd be kind of cool to see your classmates and to discuss the movie or something like that. So I'll be setting that up. I will probably have different sessions. And again, it's not going to be mandatory. It'll just be if you want to come in and see your classmates and talk to them, something like that. So I'll probably have different sessions available so that you wouldn't necessarily have to jump in with your own class. Like if you have me first hour, you wouldn't necessarily be in with those first hour students. So I'm kind of working on that. But the other thing with Google Meets is if you just want to meet with me regarding an issue that you have that you're not understanding, we can do a Google Meets. I just did one with Mr. Bloomquist, and I just did one with my daughter where I can send you the link and you can join and we can talk back and forth. I can show you my screen. And so, that's another possibility as well. So look for that to come. Last but not least, I want you to go, if you have a chance, go on to the topic of the topic board, words of encouragement. I have a couple of videos on there. Again, it's not mandatory, but I just find that some of these songs that I listen to, they just bring me so much peace. And so there's a few on there. I'll add some more. But if you get a chance and you just want to hear some great songs, they're my Christian songs. And again, it brings me comfort whenever I listen to them. So feel free to do that at any time. Other than that, watch for the video about the movie we're going to start today. Yay! And I'll talk with you soon. Have a great day. Bye.